I am Goose.
I'm Logan.
And we're at Pizza Barn. So we are all here in the city of Kernville.
Yep.
To be at the Pizza Barn.
This is a restaurant we've had on our list for probably a couple years at this point.
Yeah,
we've been meaning to come here before, but it just never worked out. But you know, today just is the perfect day. So here we are.
Yeah, here we are. So yeah, I ran into these guys who had a Pizza Barn shirt on. I asked them about it. They said, "Oh, it's the best pizza." I said, "I gotta go check it out." They said, if they say it's the best pizza, we're the guys to find out whether or not it's the best pizza. So, what do you guys say? Let's go inside and meet the rest of them?
Yeah, let's go.
So we immediately came to the back and Tyler goes, "Oh, they got centipede!"
The only thing I played close to this are the plug and play thing. It would be a plug and play. It was amazing.
Try not to shoot the middle. Nice. Good job.
Finally.
Alright, so hail, the gang's out here. This is Miss Cindy, and back there's Madison on her phone. Say hi. We're not purposely letting her, eating, living here by herself.
We
it's just
more guests.
We have more people coming, and yeah. So we'll introduce them when they get here. But what did we get?
Food. We got ice water. Let me get the receipt out so I can read you all what we bought. A large calzone of the lickety split comes with extra mozzarella cheese, green peppers, cashews, red onions, and Canadian bacon.
Cashews?
Yeah.
Cashews. Interesting.
Cashews. And then an extra large half white water and half vegetarian. It doesn't say exactly what's in either of them on here, so we shall show you when it arrives.
Right. So we're just going to sit back and enjoy our water.
Yep.
So as we were saying, there are some people who were joining us, and they got here. Say hi, Julie. Dealer just walked away over there. They were like telling us, why in the world did you guys get water when they have some of the best craft beer in all of Kern County? And we were like, really? That's right. Isn't that one of the reasons why we came here?
Yeah.
So we got a Kern River Blonde. Kern River Brewing Company Blonde, which I think you said was like one of the...
I think Kern River Brewing Company, was at the Mac and Cheese
Festival. I'm almost positive it was.
I tried some stuff from there. I don't know if it was this, but I know that they do have good stuff.
Oh, this is very good. What do you think? You're drinking your beer out of a straw.
And knowing me, I'll get it here instead of in here.
Got it. All right. How was it?
That's good.
That was really good.
Well, that's good.
It's really good.
Yeah. I'm just reusing my water straw to drink my beer.
How was the beer, honey?
Mom.
How was the beer?
Good. So is the kettle corn.
So is the kettle corn, yeah.
I've eaten a fair bit.
Yeah. So we're still waiting on our pizza. It should be here in just a little bit. So.
Yep.
But until then, we got beer.
Wow, that is...
God, it's the best pizza I've ever had. I'm like, seriously?
It's home done here.
Yeah.
And the beer is right across the street, the brewery.
Give everybody one slice of each. It's got
Yeah.
slices.
Have you ever been to the brewery and had lunch or dinner there?
Yeah. Well, not the one here. We've been to a couple places in Bakersfield.
You got to come up and try ours. It's a nice little place. As you see the brewery. You see where they brew the beer. It's cool.
Yeah, we actually the Kern River Brewery is actually at the Mac and Cheese Fest, and they'll probably be at Fiesta Fest. And so we got to have some of their beer there, and
Right.
we were like, I was like very impressed. We were like, this is really good.
Absolutely.
Didn't realize it was up here though. I thought, you know, I thought it was like, you know, one of the breweries they had over there. We were just at Beer Billy's, and Beer Billy's was like so good. That place is really good. Before I miss getting a picture of this, half of this is vegetarian. The one that's vegetarian has the broccoli on it. The other half is the
Hand that over to the. Hand that over to Mom.
what's the one that's what's the other one? The
When I order pizza here, it makes no sense. I order a vegetarian and put meat on it.
yeah. But the other one is what is it called? I can't remember.
Vegetarian and the whitewater.
Whitewater, that's what it's called.
Logan, there's a
This
plate
is a lickety
under
split
the-
calzone. We're gonna split this up and eat on this for a little while. But this is, I don't know what to do. I think I'm just waiting on Logan to hand me some to eat.
What are we gonna do? Eat.
We're gonna eat.
All the goodies inside.
All right, cut up this calzone and from 2 pieces to 4, so we can get, you know, not just, you know, we can each kind of get 1 piece. You know, Logan passed out all the different pizza, and looks like we have just enough to scarf down on. So we're gonna. How is it?
Good.
It's good.
Very good.
Very good. Which one did you get? The white water?
This one has like it kind of looked like that, but with
Okay.
like the pepperoni.
All right. So you got the white water, and I think did you? And you got you tasted the vegetarian.
That's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. I'm gonna dig into my pizza. Cindy. So you had some of the calzone.
Yes.
How
Had
is
a couple
it?
bites of the. This was the lickety split calzone. I can taste the cashews. That's nice.
I can see the cashews.
Oh yeah, let me see if I can.
How does it taste with the cashews? Oh my gosh! All those cashews.
And the Canadian bacon and the green peppers and the cheese.
How is it?
It's good.
Is it good?
Hey, you would never think of cashews on pizza, but it's really good.
You learn something new every time.
Yep.
This is really good.
Always a good day for something new.
Yeah, this is really good stuff. This had the white water is really good. Getting it in my vegetarian in just a minute. What do you think, Tyler?
Really good.
Good?
Yeah.
And the dough is made in-house too as well.
The dough's made in-house?
In-house. Everything is made in-house. The cheese brought in naturally and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But, the dough is made in-house.
Oh gosh. This is good. Need some more dough.
The places are just a step above Little Caesars. That's
Yep.
when it comes to the dough.
Not this place.
Not this place. No, it's genuine. The vegetables are fresh. They brought in close, some of it locally from farmers. Like I said, the dough's in-house. So
Yep.
really top notch. You'll pay for it. You pay for it, but it is good. And it's healthy as far as pizza could go. Yeah.
And Tyler just said he got a couple bites of the calzone with. He's even surprised about the cashews.
Oh yeah. So I thought, okay, so I'm not used to cashews being or any kind of nut being in a pizza. Well, it turns out that the cashews add a bit of texture and also a little bit of flavor. Really good.
Yep.
You feel ready?
Sometimes you feel like a nut, and then sometimes you're like Tyler.
It's so nutty, it should be in the asylum.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
You can see her. My plate's empty. Calzone's gone. Pizza's gone. Beer's gone.
Everything gone.
We're happy.
Yep. Yes, sir.
We're sorry. What'd you think? 2 thumbs up. Right now we're just chilling out, watching the traffic go by.
Yeah, as power drills on the 2 wheels go by.
Again, I'm full.
Yep.
That was some really good pizza. I have to admit that was some really unique pizzas.
Dylan was telling us, I think they got all fresh produce and everything up here.
Yep.
And then they hand make the dough themselves. And trust me, all of that
is definitely reflected in the quality of the pizza.
Right.
You can taste the freshness of everything, and it is absolutely worth it.
And I actually had some of that. I had the end piece of that calzone. I didn't have as many cashews as you guys did, but I got to agree. Yeah, that was a really good accent flavor to it. It really gave a different taste to it, a different texture to it, like you guys were saying. And we just kind of kicked back and we just, you know, had pizza and beer and conversation, which is basically what it's all about. A lot of times you're meeting up with people and you're having some food. And I gotta agree, this is some of the best pizza I've ever eaten.
It was pretty reasonably priced because we got the extra large pizza and the large calzone. It was about
almost a little under 50 bucks.
Yeah, 49 bucks.
Yeah.
So pretty decent price.
Pretty good, decent
for homemade pizza.
And what it fed, how many was there? Like 7 of us?
Yeah.
There's 7 of us, and it fed, and it was really good. So if you're ever here in Kernville,
definitely come check out the pizza bar.
Pizza bar.
It's delicious.
I think it's over here. It's on the corner of Valley View and 155, I think.
Kernville Road. We'll put the address in the description.
But the address is on Valley View Drive.
Yeah.
But this was and to have a nice, good outdoor patio. I mean, this was just to add to it.
And it's nice because Kernville's not as densely populated as Bakersfield, so you can eat outside and not be constantly bothered by traffic. Yeah, there'll be the occasional car that drives by, but it's not endless traffic.
Right.
So it's a nice, peaceful outdoor dining experience.
Right.
And nice and well shaped.
Good. Yeah. So Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where would they go?
Yeah, if you want to find all the links to our social medias and our merch store, you can find them at linktree/travelbynature, spelled the same way as our channel handle, with N, the number 8, TURE. There we got our merch store, which, as you can see, we got one of the shirts right here, the Food Coma shirt. Yeah, you can get the Travel by Nature shirt. It's my birthday. Any of the merch we got out, you can go get that there. And of course, it's got a link to our Twitter, Instagram, and our TikTok.
And our TikTok, and we're going to probably be putting up a Facebook page pretty soon, just to add to it. If they want to help out the channel, what do they do?
Yeah, if you want to help out our channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it to your friends.
Yeah, share it to your friends. Leave us a comment. Makes us smile. What else can they do?
If you really like our videos, you can consider joining our channel. Where you can do that is on the homepage of our channel, right next to the subscribe button. We have 3 tiers, one $4.99, one $7.99, and one $9.99. So if you love our content, you can help us out there.
And anything you donate to the channel goes right back to the channel.
Yep.
But from here at the Pizza Barn over on Valley View Drive in Kernville, I am Goose.
I'm Logan.
That's Tyler. From the rest of us, we're Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.